So I've been running Fetched as an organization coming up to a year now. And what a ride it's been. So many lessons, so many learnings, having the opportunity to work with incredible organizations. And I've learned so much about myself. But anyone who knows about myself and my background, I've spent over a decade in software sales in SaaS. Extremely passionate about it. I've had the opportunity to work for some of the fastest growing companies on the planet. I've run big teams and I've just got a wealth of knowledge and experience in the space. And so it was only ever a matter of time until I started to build my own SaaS organization and build my own SaaS application. And that time has come. I made the decision last week to say now that it's time. So what does this mean and what doesn't this mean? Well, what it doesn't mean is we are still absolutely running Fetched as an organization and as an agency. So we're going to continue to work with companies, building out predictable client acquisition systems to support them with their outbound strategies so that they can build and generate consistent qualified lead flow. So that's the great news. What we're then doing is now under the Fetched banner, building a SaaS app that will accelerate customers on that journey, and it will also support us as an agency as well. So it's going to be an app that is within the cold email space. It's really going to transform a particular segment of that market and just drive incredible value for clients, for customers and beyond. And so I'm really, really excited about it because now I get to really take all of this wealth of knowledge and experience over the last decade and truly, truly bring it to life in the area that I have a lot of passion for, but I've got all of this knowledge and experience with, which is SaaS, right? What's been great about having Fetched as an agency and as a service-based business predominantly is the learning, right? You get to work closely with customers, and this was always part of my strategy. It was to get close to customers, understand their problems, learn lessons, right? Have wins, have successes, have as many successful clients as possible, but where there's challenges, figure them out, learn, understand the challenges, and then take those challenges and to create a SaaS company and a SaaS app off the back of real life challenges. One of the gaps I had when I first started the business is I was trying to figure it all out myself and thinking, well, over my decade of experience, I know what customers need, and then just trying to bring that to market and just wasn't the right strategy. I realized the best thing to do is work with clients, get deep in the trenches, understand their problems, and then find solutions to those problems. So with this new SaaS app, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. And I'm really going to build in public, right? So I'm going to use these videos to talk about the journey, probably do 1 or 2 videos a week, and I'll talk about how we're thinking about the initial phases of building it, and then walk you through how we're actually going about building it when we're bringing it to market and more. So I just wanted to use this video more of an announcement to let you know that this is happening. And during these initial phases, what we've been doing is getting a lot of feedback from customers, getting a lot of feedback from the market, and really taking the time to figure out where we've had bottlenecks within the agency to inform this app. And we've got really a great vision already. We've built out some wireframes to know what is the app going to look like. I brought on a CTO within the business to really lead the technical component, allowing me to focus much more on strategy and go to market and sales. So if there's particular areas that as I go through this video series that would be helpful to talk about, please do let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what would you be interested in me making sure that I cover and touch on and talk about, because I really want to make this as valuable and jam-packed as I possibly can as we go over the weeks. Building it's going to probably take 2 to 3 months based on what we're looking at right now. So there'll be a great amount of content coming over subsequent weeks, but let me know what would be helpful for me to talk about. Let me know what would be helpful for me to cover, and I will really do my best to make sure that I bring this into the series. But for now, just know that we're going on the journey. Super excited about it, and I look forward to bringing you guys along with me on the journey as we take this thing to the moon. Because one thing you know about Alleyne is I don't fail, I'm relentless, and I go all the way. And I say I don't fail because even if things go off kilter, it's lessons, it's learnings. But one thing I will never, ever, ever do is I never quit. I'll always go all the way. So what you'll get from me is transparency, authenticity, and I'll do everything I can to also help you on your own journey, whether you currently are building an app, you've already built one successfully, or it's something that you're thinking about for the future. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, to this channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.